my friends, welcome back. Today I'm on a road trip, and yes, I'm in a Toyota Prius. So I want to share with you some very interesting driving assist system on this Prius. Yeah, I just want to share with you in case you're curious about how the adaptive cruise control system works and how effective are they, how they function. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on, using it, and see how it works. So what we're gonna do is we turn the system on, hit cruise control, and then you'll see it'll turn on the two car. The one behind is you, and then the line in the middle is the distance, and you can adjust in the speed just like you do on a regular on a normal cruise control. But with the adaptive cruise control, what the car does is it will follow the speed. It's like there's a radar system in the front of the car. I believe on the Toyota Prius, it's in where the front rail. That's where the radar located. So what the system works by sending a signal back and forth between like it's on, and then the car in the front. So how the signal work is like is it like a sonar radar? So it sends a signal, it's bounced back, so that it measures the distance between the car and the car in the front. So the system works by it pacing or following the vehicle speed of the car in the front. So if the car in the front slow down, it will like automatically brake and apply in the brake and slow down as well. If the car in the front speeding up, it will automatically speed up to follow the speed of the car in the front. Or if in the occasion that something in the front and the front car come to completely stop, the system can bring the car to fully stop also. So yes, the system works, and actually it works very well. I'm doing a lot of long trips, like couple hundred miles, so I use the system frequently anytime that I'm on these longer drive. And it just, yes, it's called like driving assist system, and it does assist us on a longer drive. Like this car in the front is gonna be too close, and it's applying the brake to bring the car speed down a little. So yeah, I just want to share with you that the system actually works. I mean, yes, it's new technology. It works. It helps. It assists us driving and just make the driving more enjoyable on a longer drive. But however, it's technology. It's all computerized. Still, we are the drivers, so we still gotta use our judgment, your common sense, to taking control of the situation. Because yes, the system works, but still we gotta keep our eyes on the road, and it just make the drive safer and more enjoyable. So it's very cool that I'm driving and I set the adaptive cruise control on, and I just control the steering, and just following the speed of the car in front. So yes, the system works. Just if you wonder how it works and if it really works, so I just want to get a little the comment as yes, it does works, and it's effective. The system function very well, but still, you are the driver, we are the driver, so we have control of the car. So it's just the driving assist system just helping us just relieve some of the, just make the drive more joyful, more enjoyable on the longer trips. So yes, I just want to share with you POV on how the system works and how effective it is. So yes, I like it. I use it a lot of time, and it actually functions very well. So alright, just gonna sit back and enjoy the drive, and then I just let you enjoy the drive for a couple minutes, and yep. See, right now the car in the front like speeding up, so the car is like speeding up too, without me touching the gas pedal. It's just amazing that like these newer technology just help driving like safer. It's assisting us so that the car become safer and safer. So yes, technology actually effective, and it actually works. So that's my point of view, my opinion. I like the system because I use it, and safer too. So see, it's speeding up because the car in the front speeding up without me touching the gas pedal. Car in the front like speeding up again, so my car just bring up the speed as well, just to follow its speed in the front. It will slow down for a bit, and then he speed up again. So yes, the system is I can say amazing for what it is, for the technology that we get on these newer cars. stop, and I had the system on, so and the car actually bring it to full stop as well. So I found it's just one of the features that's very unique, very what can I say, cool? Yeah, it's a cool system. See, speeding up, slowing down, speeding up, slowing down, following the speed of the car in the front. And also, when you set the system, it's like that there's different distance setting that you can do. So just pick the distance that you feel more comfort. Like just trying it out, different setting. I'm trying it out, different distance, and actually either one, the car's gonna keep a safe distance between the safe distance with the front vehicle. See, the car in the front is slowing down. Now he's speeding up. Braking, slowing down. And speeding up. So yeah, the system works, and it works well for what it is. So I want to share with you in case that you're curious about these newer technology. So yep, hope that you enjoy it, and yeah, please leave a comment if you like this system. What do you like about this system, or what you don't like about this system? Just leave a comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful night, or have a wonderful day, whenever time that you see in this video. Alright, thank you guys. See ya.